Hi, I am Fred Cox. I'm the Vice President of Sales for Cardinal Scale Manufacturing. I'd like to feature today the C-Series Cardinal Counting Scale. This is a portable counting scale. What's really neat about it, it comes with an AC power adapter if you'd like to use it statically in one position, or you can carry it around your facilities for convenient counting of bins through the workday. The C-Series unit comes with a rechargeable battery, which is under the scale, mounted and protected, give you hours and hours of service, or as I said, you can just plug it in. This counting scale is really neat because it gives you visibility of your weight, your average piece count, and your total pieces, so you see everything at one time. This is the 65-pound capacity and also in a 30-pound capacity, but we'll see we have a lot of onboard features within this very economical priced counting scale. The Cardinal counting scale is very convenient for all your in-plant operations. It includes several onboard features right on the keypad. There are up to 99 preset product numbers that you can store in here for sample pieces, or there's the most popular 8 that you might use. Hey, let's see how easy it is to use the Cardinal counting scale, the portable counting scale. And we say portability, we want that battery to last all day long. Well, the neat thing is the backlight comes on only when the counting scale's in use. All right, how simple is it to use? You can simply place the empty container on the scale. You're going to tear away the weight of that container, so now it weighs nothing. Now we need to educate the scale an average piece count. So you'll take a number of parts that you want to count, take a good selection so that you get an accurate piece weight, pour those in the scale, and I simply want to tell it that I've added 10 with the sample size. It's looking at the sample size. It shows I have 10 pieces. Each sample is 1.37, and now I simply add the rest of the pieces, and I finished my counting process. And there we go. I have a total of 28 pieces within that bin. Let's see just how easy it is to use the Cardinal counting scale in your work environment. Remember, we have product lookup numbers to make it very easy for speed keys to go through the process. There's 8 of them on the keypad, but up to 99 that you can program in using the convenient numeric keypad. So we've programmed in number 1. So that's product lookup number 1. All I do is touch the button. It already shows me that I have a tare weight pre-programmed in. So I put the tare, I put the container on the scale. My average piece weight is 1.3499 for the product I'm going to be counting. So I'll simply place the parts in the bin, and if I had a target of 100 pieces for that bin, then I can simply do so, and there you go. Whoops, let's pull one out. I put one too many in. We have 100 pieces in that bin. It went just that easy. So I can move on and continue to weigh the same parts. So I can simply put another empty bin on, put the pieces in the scale, get it up to the count that I want, take the other one out. Wow, that's easy. I've counted all my parts, 2 bins in a matter of seconds. Versatility of the Cardinal counting scale goes beyond weighing parts on this bench. We also have a remote scale input, which is standard now with the Cardinal counting scale. Why would I use a remote scale input or remote counting input? Well, you may have heavy parts that you may need a large box of these counted, and it's just too much for the counting scale here on the bench. So you can have an extra floor scale, portable scale, higher capacity scale plugged into this unit and remote access it from the counting scale to count all these heavier parts in a larger bin. Simple as that. The Cardinal counting scale has a lot of value to you for the right price to perform all the counting that you need within your facility. Let's talk about some of the features of the C-Series counting scale. We have the backlit display. We have the battery pack, rechargeable battery pack, so that you can work all day with the scale. We have the product lookup numbers on the keypad for easy reference and storing those sample sizes, up to 99 of those. We've got a remote button, remember, to access that remote scale. This counting scale has everything that you need for all your basic counting needs within your facility. Remember, the C-Series scale is by Cardinal Scale. You can find this on our website at www.cardinalscale.com.